Hi students, my name is GB. I'm one of the NAU tutor. Today I'm making this video to show you all how to prepare structure your writing in a proper format. In brief, your paper is structured by four parts: the title page, the table of content, your analysis pages, and last but not least will be the reference list. Bear in mind that if your writing papers require you to have at least 2 or 3 pages or from 500 up to 600 words, it actually tells you the length of your analysis pages, not the whole writing paper. Let's start now with the title page. It can be seen on the screen. The running header should be accompanied with the title of your assignment or case analysis. To build the header, simply look at the top tab of your Microsoft Word paper. Find Insert. Navigate yourself to the header. Choose any of the type from the drop-down menu. Click on it, and you got the running header here. Right below at the middle of your title page will be the main content of your paper, which include the writing topic and related course and learning plan. You have your right to decorate the title page at your own way, but don't forget to mention your name, and it is really important for the teacher to identify who actually write this assignment. Let's move to the second page. As you can see here, I leave the page blank. You should do it too, because the blank page will be for the table of content. However, don't forget to add a header at the top of the page. The header here should be similar to what you put into the first page, just not include the running head. Microsoft Word has been so helpful with a feature that helps us to build a table of content for own paperwork. What we should do is to name appropriate levels for each type of heading while we are writing and let the Word do the right job after we finish our work. The table of content is actually a structured outline that shows all of our main concern and analysis jobs regarding to the topic of our case study. The outline is constructed by at least one heading, sometimes two, or ideally will be 3 levels of heading. Let's move to the next page and try to add a level for a heading to see how it actually works. Each writing paper has a different structure and approach that are actually related to the topic, so you'll be the one who decides the structure of your writing. Just make sure you complete your writing with a structured outline instead of just writing and dropping your idea and opinions into your paper without proper format. Okay, suppose that we are writing an assignment for a case study analysis. We should present an introduction of the case study at the first heading. To add a level for the first heading, just go to the Reference tab, find the section for Content and Table of Content. You can see it here. Highlight the heading, go to the attach and make it level 1 because it is a level 1. Same thing happened with the level 2 and level 3 of the heading. This is the level 2 and you can see it is the 1.1 case study here. Highlight it, go to same area, mark it level 2. The 1.2.2 here is actually the heading level 3 of your assignment, so highlight it and mark it level 3. This is the foundation work for the table of content to be automatically built after you finish on your job. Similar to the table of content, the reference list can be automatically updated after you finish your work. Every time you want to cite your reading or researching sources, simply click on the reference list, find the citation and bibliography area, choose the APA style here from the drop-down menu because NAU will accept and require APA style in every type of writing. And then click on Insert citation. As you can see here, there are a variety of sources for you to choose. Most of the time, you can choose the source that is closest to your writing and researching work and time in the citation detail here. Bear in mind that section with a star symbol, you can see here, right at the front of a section is a compulsory field for you to fill in. When you have completed this step, the citation is added automatically into your paper, as you can see here. APA style use the author name and the publication date, but sometimes your citation shall experience a bug that also include a title or publication title. If this happens to you, right-click on your citation, choose the Edit this citation, mark the subtext of the title and click OK, and you get it solved. Suppose that you have done all the work and you have marked all the levels of the headings and add all the citation sources. It should be the right time to see how Microsoft Word view the table of content and the references. Just navigate yourself to the second page with words left blank. Click on it, go to the wrapper, find the references, click on the table of content, choose one of the style here, hit it, and you can see here the table of content is automatically updated with all the accessible link to any of the heading that we want to reach instead of manually scrolling down the pages. You can see here they are all linked together. Bear in mind that each part of your assignment shall be located in different page space. It means that your table of content, your references shall be made separately, despite the blank space of your analysis papers. To view the references, go to the last page, find the reference tab here, go to the group of citation and bibliography. Click on bibliography and hit the bibliography from the drop-down menu. And you can see here the references table is automatically updated. However, this is just the default APA format. In NAU will require you to make some additional adjustment of the APA style by simply putting the bibliography or references at the middle of the table. With the citation content, simply highlight them all. With Windows OS, use the combination of Ctrl and T. With the Mac OS, just hit Command and T to realign the citation in the required APA format. Here we got it done. Okay, we are all done now. You should go to give it a try in the next coming writing assignment. I bet that you could achieve higher grade and waive off all the concern of the proper writing format. This is the end of the show. Thank you for your attention and have a great day.